2018 Lincoln MKZ. For 2018, the Lincoln MKZ benefits from a handful of small upgrades to technology and available options, such as the inclusion of Lincoln Connect, a 4G modem with Wi-Fi capability that is now standard across all trims. The classy Lincoln MKZ midsize sedan is available for 2018 as either a gas-powered or hybrid model, both offered in 3 trim levels: Base, Premier, Select, and Reserve. A turbocharged, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine generating 245 horsepower and 275 pounds-foot of torque is standard on all trims, while a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 is optionally available on Reserve trim. The larger engine generates 350 horsepower and 400 pounds-foot of torque with front-wheel drive (FWD), and 400 horsepower when equipped with all-wheel drive (AWD). Gas-powered models utilize a 6-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, while AWD is optional. MKZ hybrid models, regardless of trim, utilize a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine in conjunction with an electric motor and a lithium-ion battery. A continuously variable transmission, CVT, delivers power to the front wheels. No AWD option is available for the 2018 Lincoln MKZ hybrid. Changes to the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. Lincoln Connect, a 4G modem with Wi-Fi capability, is now standard across all trims. New magnetic appearance package features 10-spoke machined aluminum 19-inch wheels with premium painted pockets and satin finish, painted upper grille, and aluminum brake and accelerator pedal covers. Rebel 13 speaker audio system is now standard on Reserve trim. New colors: ivory pearl, blue diamond, and iced mocha for all trims. Rhapsody blue is available on Reserve trim. What we think? Lincoln goes above and beyond in order to provide technology, style, and plenty of comfort in the 2018 MKZ, which can be equipped with a variety of drivelanes. However, one of the few deterrents for those shopping the 2018 MKZ is how quickly the price can increase when options are tacked on.